Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecelia O, and in today's video I'll be sharing with us a recipe on how to make berry fruit muffin, carrot coconut muffin, and lastly vegetable muffins. So in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to make 3 types of cakes: berry fruit muffin, carrot coconut muffin, and vegetable muffin. And for today's 3 types of muffins that I'll be making, there are some common ingredients that I'll be adding. But let me introduce you to the ingredients I'll be using for today's video's recipe. So for today's video, for the recipe, I'll be using the following ingredients. I have butter here. I'll be using raspberry. I'll be using blueberries. And I'll be using these 2 ingredients for the berry muffins. And I have some milk here, my sugar, the vanilla extract, baking powder, the flour that I'll be using for the baking, also coconut oil to spray my pan, and I have some eggs here. I'll actually be using 4 eggs for each of those baking. I have some green peas here. I have coconuts. I have carrots. I have avocado. I have asparagus. I have spinach. I have cranberries. So to make those 3 types of muffins, I'll be adding coconut to all the muffins. And I'll also be adding the cranberries on the cake. So for today's recipe, I'm making 3 types of muffins: berry fruit muffins, coconut carrot muffin, and lastly, I'm making vegetable coconut muffin. Let's dive in. I really appreciate your time, and I don't take this for granted. I love you all. Let's dive in. So I'll be starting with a vegetable cake, and I'll be blending this ingredients. So I have some butter in there. I'll be adding the asparagus. I'll be adding the avocados. Also the green peas. And I'll be using 3 eggs for this. So I'm adding 4 eggs. Sorry. I'm adding 4 eggs. So I'm adding the spinach. Keep in mind I'm making vegetable muffin. So I also want to add some vegetable oil. So I'm using a 1/4 cup of a vegetable oil. And now I'm adding my sugar, 1/2 cup. And now the milk I'm using. So now I'm just going to blend all this together. I'm blending. So I have all the blended ingredients for the vegetable muffin here. So in this blender, I have the spinach, green peas, avocado, butter, vegetable oil, egg. I have milk, and this is ready. So I'll be adding the blended vegetable for the vegetable muffin in here. Let's see if I can get some out. So I'll be adding little coconuts. Keep in mind I'm making 3 types of muffins: the berry muffin, the carrot muffin, and the vegetable muffin. So I added little coconuts, and also I'll be adding little cranberries into this. And now in this bowl I have spinach, avocado, green peas, butter, egg, milk. I have vegetable oil, coconuts, flakes, cranberries. So I'll be adding the flour, and in this flour I've already added some baking powder. So I'll be adding the flour, and I'm making vegetable muffins. So I'm adding the flour now. Keep in mind I'm making vegetable muffins. And this vegetable muffin is actually good for all ages. Now keep in mind, I'm making vegetable muffins. So the vegetable muffin is ready. I will add this to the pan and just bake. Stop. So I'm going to add some vanilla extract to give this a very good smell. So the vegetable coconut muffin is ready. So this is ready. And keep in mind this is actually safe for all ages. And this is good for Weight Watchers to lose weight, to get rid of belly fat, also to boost immunity because the vitamins and the nutrients in the ingredients. So I have this ready, and I'm just going to portion it into the pan and take it to the oven. So this vegetable muffin is ready, and it's safe for all ages. And I'll bake it for 30 minutes, and it will be ready. Thank you all. Hi my beautiful people. So the vegetable cake, the vegetable muffin is ready, and here is it. And to make this vegetable muffin, all you need is spinach, avocado, green peas, you need butter, you need milk, and the most important ingredients we have in here are the green peas, avocado, spinach, asparagus. So this vegetable cake is safe for all ages, you can see. So I also added some coconuts flakes in it, and I added some cranberries. So this is ready. It's actually safe for all ages. Try this recipe at home and share it with your loved ones and families. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative video like this on how to stay healthy, and for the nutrient and nutritional benefit of the ingredient that I use to make this muffin. You can actually check my the comment section below for the detail. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.